Hello, hey, Sid Hamid with Breakfront Properties. All right, making a video to give you guys an update on the things that have taken place in the last 10 days. So coming into the house, we took out the old kitchen floors, put the new floors in, so everything's nice and leveled. We built this theater station here. So it's gonna have a television in the middle, a fireplace down there, so it's like a theater system. So when they walk in, got crown molding throughout the house, new door trims, new baseboard trims are going in, the refrigerator and the pantries are going to go here. We got the new floors put in here, and the stove and the pot filler for your pot filler is going to go there. Your kitchen sink's going to go there, and then we're going to have cabinets coming in about 10 days from now. Right now we just got a lot of materials here, so we want to get these materials to use. The baseboards are in, need some caulking, need some wood putty, just kind of sand it, smooth it, and paint it. So it's coming along pretty good. And then back here in the bed, we got all the new doors in. We're gonna take out the hinges and put in the black hinges with the black doorknobs. And all the switches got dimmers, right? So they all got dimmers. So we put dimmers throughout the house. And this bedroom one here, window trim is in, baseboards are in, recessed lights are here. They'll be installed next week. Closet, we added another shelf, so 2 shelves for the closet. Black doorknobs, black hinges, dimmer switches. The bathroom here right now, we got everything just sitting in the bathroom because the guys are coming next week to sand the floors. So we didn't want to have any materials on the floor. So we'll move the materials around as they sand room by room. So once we get the floor sanded, then like I said, we'll use one of the rooms for storage until we could get all the material used up. All right, so bedroom number 2. Recessed lights are going next week. Floor's gonna get sanded, caulking, sanding the trims, put in the hardware for the doors. Master bedroom here, got the wire for the wall sconks. There's gonna be 2 wall sconks by the bed. And then we put another shelf in the closet. So you got 2 shelves there in the closet, one up there with a rod, and this one's gonna have a rod as well. So 2 shelves there. The door to the bathroom is right there. So this is 1 layer of paint. And then you got your wire here for your television. So people will put their bed this way. They got the TV here, the closet, the exterior door, and then the bathroom door here. All right, Brickfront Properties and Construction. So we put a new ductwork throughout the house, a new electrical, a new plumbing, and basically new lighting, new kitchens. And then the deck here, we're gonna take this deck out. Right now we're just using it for the time being because it's a lot of trash. So as soon as we get a couple good, really nice days, we can start taking this down and then build this deck out. All right, so the decks will be in the next 2 weeks. The roof is done. All the vents have been, for the bathrooms, vented out in the kitchen. So all the vents are done. New motion lights are going in upstairs. So yeah, so Brickfront Properties and Construction, we've been doing this for a very, very long time. And we are home builders and a general contractor. So if you guys are looking for any major work or even some projects that are small, we can handle those for you. Electrical, plumbing, HVAC, roofing, drywall, plaster, paint, baseboards, and so on. And now we're going down to the basement here. All right, so we got a full bathroom right there. We got a bedroom right there. So this is the common area right here, where they could watch TV, put their sofa chairs. And then we got another utility room back there. And then we have another bedroom back here. This bedroom has exterior door, closet, and then the door to the bathroom. The bathroom is right there. And then we're gonna make this into a closet right here. So this is gonna become a closet right here. Okay? So it's starting to shape up. It's starting to shape up. And in the next 2 weeks, we'll have all the electrical done, the plumbing done, the drywall done, the compound, the sanding, the paint, the baseboards. We got all the materials here for the baseboards and trim and closet shelves. All the wood is here. Now back here, what we did is, in the utility room, put a new floor drain. So we got 2 floor drains here. We moved the water heater back to the wall. There's the gas pipe that's gonna go in. And then we got the washer and dryer. It's gonna be gas dryer. So the gas dryer is going right there. And the washing machine right next to it. And then we'll have it vented out for the dryer. So we got the laundry kit. And the furnace, like I said, the furnace was about 8 feet that way. We moved the furnace back this way, so we could have more space to work for that bedroom over there on that side. So we pushed everything back and had to redo the work here. Put the water heater over there. So this becomes a nice size utility room / laundry room, furnace, storage. Okay. So this part is done. And like I said, there's one bathroom there, one bathroom there. So this bathroom here, we got it's gonna be a stand-up shower. We got the rubber down, the drain down, and the plumbing's in. You gotta finish the electrical, the exhaust fan. The windows are in. So it's a pretty nice sized bedroom. Got a closet right there. And then you got this door that allows you to go in and out from this bedroom. So there's 2 exterior doors down here. One on the other side and one on this side. So 2 exterior doors to the basement. Oh shit. Fuck. That ain't feel good. And like I said, this is gonna be the common area. So there's a door right here to go out. 2 windows here. So it's a large space. Put your television over there. Like I said, you got your door right there. That room's gonna become a little closet in the back underneath the stairs. And then, you know, this is just a large area for your sofas, your chairs. Watch your football down here, take it easy. And if you want to smoke, go outside, smoke. All right, so brick front properties and construction. We got our tiles here. We got the installations here. So right now, we were doing another job, which we're pretty much done with. So starting next week, we're gonna be back over here to get pick this up and keep this moving. So this is another bedroom back here. So you got your closet right there. Okay. It's another nice sized bedroom down here in the basement. You got your egress window right here. So you could go in and out the window in case there's a fire or a threat or emergency. We got all the bifold doors here. All the doors for the bedrooms are here. Everything's here now. So it's just a matter of doing the compounds, doing the plaster, sanding this out, the baseboards down, the door trims, the window trims, and then finishing this up. So brick front properties and construction, Sid Hamid. If you guys are looking for any type of major work or minor work, give us a call. Thank you. Take care.